Howdy, folks. I had a little unwanted visitor decide he wanted to come by and take a nap downrange at my place. So let's just see if I can't help him take that nap. Right now, I'm just waiting for the wind to be in my favor at my back, and that's about to happen pretty quickly. So let's see how it goes down. Well, the bullet seemed to strike true. Surprisingly, though, as he's not moving and he's kind of stretching out, this process took just a couple seconds longer than I thought it should. But the shot was true, and the bullet certainly did its job. So what was I using? Well, I've got my good old faithful 6.5 by 47, one of them, and it's just an absolute tack driver. And for bullets that I'm using, it's the 130 grain Hornady ELD match. And this so far has done a number on coyotes. How did it do on this guy? Well, the entry point is pretty unremarkable. I actually had to put a blue dot just so you can see where that bullet struck. As you'll see here, that was right about at my aiming point. So I got lucky and managed to put one at 262 yards, right where I wanted. Surprisingly, though, as the bullet entered right here in the neck, it kind of seemed to deviate course and just veer off about 15 or 20 degrees and exit where that red star is. And you'll see here, it left a pretty nasty exit wound. Definitely a fatal round, and this coyote expired pretty quickly. Let's take another look at that in slow motion. And down he goes for his final nap. On to one of the evenings here recently. This guy came out in a storm and I saw him from my porch, so I ran to try to get ahead of him and see if I couldn't just maybe catch him as he was working his way through our herd that we had over there. Now, I took a shortcut across the easy way through the creek. He took the long way, which allowed me to get ahead of him. And I'm using the old faithful 308 with my Aero Precision builder set and basically all Aero and Wilson combat parts. And I'm also still using this 150 grain Hornady SST. Actually, I haven't really had a lot of stuff that I've shot with it yet, but so far it's been incredibly impressive. So let's see how it does here. This guy's on to me, so I'm going to set up quickly and take this shot. Well, I'd say that was relatively impressive. It actually seemed like it almost knocked him down as it went through his shoulder on the front side. And there he is for his final drink of water and go to sleep. Now, I've got a big thunderstorm coming in, and I've got lightning striking within a couple of miles of me. So instead of going and looking for him, you can see the herd in the background, I'm going to run home and get out of this before I get struck. But the next day, I had a chance to come down, and it's an absolute beautiful view of the creek. We like playing in here, but you can see I've got something floating right here in front of me. So I'm going to drag him out, and we're going to take a look. Now, I just have a photo of the exit wound, but this 150 grain SST seemed to do pretty good work, and I'm not going to complain about those results at all. So one last time, let's take a look. I'd say that that's pretty acceptable performance. That's going to be it for my little adventures for the last couple of days removing some more coyotes. I appreciate you stopping by, and I hope that you all have a wonderful day.